Masala King, Mahashay Dharampal Gulati, is no more between us. He took his last breath on 3rd December 2020 morning due to cardiac arrest at Chanan Devi Hospital, Delhi. His journey has been really motivational and is going to inspire the generations to come. Once been a rickshaw puller, with his struggle and hard work made a company with a revenue of more than 1,000 crores. If you want to get a sheer motivation to get into something with all focus, this video is for you. Do not skip or leave halfway, otherwise you will lose the biggest motivational story and a lesson for yourself. So this all started in 1923, when Dharampal was born in Sialkot, Pakistan. His father's name was Chunilal Gulati, who used to work with one social organization. In the same organization, he set up his masala company, giving it a name Mahashian Di Haddi Private Limited Degi Mirch Whale. From the very first time, Dharampal was very weak in studies. Thus, he studied only till 5th and started helping in his father's business. Time passed by, then Mahashay Dharampal also participated in fight for independence. And after India-Pakistan partition in 1947, Mahashay came to India with his family and stayed here. And he lived in a refugee camp here in Amritsar. In between all these, whatever business his father had set up, it all got shut, and they had to go through a lot of financial problems. Seeing all these, Dharampal decided to go to Delhi in search of income. But unfortunately, even after a lot of struggle, he did not get any work in Delhi. Finally, he borrowed some money from his friend and bought a rickshaw and started searching for passengers from Connaught Palace to Karol Bagh. This job used to be very tiring, and he did not use to make enough money to feed his family. After seeing all this, he decided to restart his old masala family business in Karol Bagh of Delhi in 1948. And then in small hut, he took his masala business forward. Since his family already had knowledge of this business, the business started giving profit very soon. And then in 1953, after making some money, he rented a second shop in Chandni Chowk and started one more branch. In 1954, he also started Rupak stores, which became first modern masala store all over India. Later on, he handovered Rupak stores to his brother Satpal Gulati. And then in 1959, he started a factory with name MDHI Mahashian Di Haddi Limited. Because of his experience and good catch in the business, within very limited time, it started growing rapidly. And in very less time, not just in India, MDH Masala started getting exported internationally in more than 100 countries. Till his last breath on 3rd December, we could see him himself promoting their products on TV as a brand ambassador. One special thing about Mahashay Dharampal is, whatever money he has earned from his business, a large part of it has been for poor as well. He has opened charitable trust under his father's name, which gives free education and medical facility for people living in slums. He also opened world-class hospital in Delhi on her mother's name Chanan Devi. In fact, he took his last breath there only in the same hospital. Not just that, he has opened number of schools in Delhi, running under his name for poor people. Mahashay Dharampal was not just businessman, but a great social worker as well. That's it for today, guys. We hope you liked this video. Share us your views in comments if any. Thank you very much.
Yeah.